Okay? Kailangan i-reassess mo na yung sarili mo ngayon pa lang, ha. You have to act now. Bakit po? Kasi kung hindi ka magre-reassess ng sarili mo, papatawarin ko pa ako newbie, 'di ba? Pwede pa, sige newbie. Okay, nali-liquidate ka. Normal po 'yan. Kahit naman nung newbie ako sa leverage, nali-liquidate ako eh. Kaya lumayas ako diyan sa crypto leverage. Sabi ko, hindi naman manalo dito ah. Hirap eh. Kita ka, tapos nababawi din ng market eh. Hindi ko kayang i-sustain. So I accepted defeat since 2023. As early as 2023, I accepted defeat. Diba? I was humble enough. Sabi ko, hindi ko kaya to leverage dito sa crypto kasi grabe yung wasiwas. Kumikita ka, tapos isang iglap, isang tweet ni Trump, liquidated. So I decided to move my active trading portfolio to gold since 2023. So ngayon, kung newbie kayo, normal yung mali-liquidate kayo. So ngayon, kung veteran kayo hanggang ngayon, nali-liquidate pa rin po, okay, again, ask yourself, what's your plan? What are you going to do?